नमस्कार मित्रांनो, सरकारी नोकरी या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचं सर्वांचं मनापासून स्वागत. मित्रांनो, आज आपण TCSने फार्मासिस्ट पदासाठी जे घेतलेले परीक्षा आहे त्याच्यामध्ये जे 70 महत्त्वाचे MCQs आपण आज घेऊन आलेलो आहोत. मित्रांनो, आज आपण त्यातला पहिला क्वेश्चन बघू. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ मायक्रोझोमल एन्झाईम? आन्सर ऑप्शन नंबर 3 esterase. Question number 2, in biotransformation which of the following statements is incorrect? त्याच्यातलं आन्सर आहे 4 नंबर जे इनकरेक्ट आहे. ड्रग ॲक्टिव्हिटी इन्क्रीज बाय मेनी फोल्ड्स. वरचे 3 करेक्ट आहेत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, अकॉर्डिंग टू द ड्रग अँड कॉस्मेटिक रूल the label of which among the following preparation category of drug shall bear a consumption level vertical line on the left side running throughout the body of the label? याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन नंबर 1 नार्कोटिक अनाल्जेसिक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, अकॉर्डिंग टू द ड्रग अँड कॉस्मेटिक रूल्स which of the following must be mandatory printer on the label of drug product containing schedule G drug? आजचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन नंबर 3 caution is dangerous to take this preparation except under medical supervision. तर आज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 बघू. प्रतिबंध बौद्धिकमत्तेचे आणि पिंडा संवेदनाचे साप्ताहिक चालण्यासाठी कोणते विभाग सत्य आहे? याचं उत्तर आहे मित्रांनो 2 डॉक्टरांचे व प्रिस्क्रिप्शन नसल्यास विक्रीसाठी औषधे विकता येत नाही. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, लैंगिक संसर्गजन्य रोग STDs चे प्रसरण ट्रान्समिशन रोखण्यासाठी खालीलपैकी कोणती पद्धत प्रभावी ठरते? ऑप्शन नंबर 4 आहे लैंगिक संबंध आणि सुई वापर टाळणे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, वॅक्सिन वायल जे असते त्याचं व्हीएमचा मुख्य उद्देश काय असतो? तर त्याचं आन्सर आहे 3 लसीची कार्यक्षमता ओळखणे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, सार्वजनिक पाणी पुरवठ्याच्या बाबतीत खालीलपैकी कोणते विधान योग्य आहे? याचं उत्तर आहे 3 सार्वजनिक ठिकाणी पाणी विकणे निषिद्ध आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, कॉड लिव्हर ऑइल ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम कॉड फिश इज यूज्ड ॲज? आन्सर ऑप्शन नंबर 4 सोर्स ऑफ व्हिटॅमिन A and D. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, AQI म्हणजे काय? त्याचं उत्तर आहे आन्सर 3 ऑप्शन एअर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, व्हॉट डोस युनिट डोस डिस्पेन्सिंग रेफर टू? आन्सर ऑप्शन नंबर 4 सप्लाइंग मेडिकेशन्स इन इंडिव्हिज्युअली पॅक्ड सिंगल यूज डोस. Question number 12, the label to be sold by retail on the prescription of a registered medical practitioner only is written for dash drugs. Answer option number 3 schedule H drug. Question number 13, which of the following schedules deals with standards for patient and properly medicine under the Drug and Cosmetic Act? Propriety. Answer option 3 schedule fee. Question number 14, which semi-solid preparation contain high proportion of finely divided solid and is used an antiseptic absorbent? Answer option 4 paste. Question number 15, in pharmacoepidemiology which base occurs when the estimate of association is distorted by variables that are also risk factor for the outcome? Answer option 2 compounding base. Question number 16, absolute bioavailability is calculated by comparing? Answer option 3 oral and IV doses. Question number 17, which among the following is not a tricyclic antidepressant? Answer option 2 fluoxetine. Question number 18. Which detail is not mandatory on the label of drug product product meant for retail sale? Answer option 2. Name and registration number of the prescriber. Question number 19. In the following triad, each group of letters is related to the next following a certain logic. क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर आहे वन, अपॉन, पुनो and ओपून. Question number 20. Drug drugs that produce changes in sensory perception, visual, auditory and olfactory, thought, behavior and mood are termed. Answer option 4. Hallucinogens. Question number 21. Which formulation prolong the duration of action of drug due to slow absorption? Answer 3. Intramuscular default injection. Question number 22. Which of the following best describe the typical composition of a pharmacy and therapeutic committee? Answer option number 4. Clinical pharmacist, attending physician, nursing supervisor and hospital administrative officials. Question number 23. Which of the following is not a topically included as part of a hospital formulary? Answer option number 2. Approved list of generic and brand name medication. Question number 24. A misbranded drug is deemed misbranded if. Answer option number 3. It is so colored, coated, powdered or polished that damage is concealed, or it is made to appear of better or greater therapeutic value than it is. Question number 25. Which of the following is the most likely route of elimination for halothane? Answer option number 2. Elimination via lungs. Question number 26. A licensed person can manufacture bacterial vaccines, insulin antigen under supervision provided they have experience except. Answer option number 3. Any graduate with 3 years experience in manufacture and testing. Question number 27. Which among the following show the drug action of a competitive antagonist? Answer option number 3. Competing reversible with the agnostic for the same binding site. Question number 28. Which scientific journal was started by Dr. Emil Scrope in the year 1939? Answer option number D. The Indian Journal of Pharmacy. Question number 29. Abnormal adverse reactions of a drug which is genetically determined is called. Answer C. Idiosyncrasy. Question number 30. Ashwagandha obtained from. Answer option number 2. B. Roots and rhizomes, part of plant. Question number 31. Which among the following is not a local anesthetic? Answer option number A. Not a local anesthetic. Answer A. Halothane. Question number 32. Digital purphuria and digitalis lalanta belong to different. Answer option number A. Species. Question number 33. Which organization was responsible for the publication of the first British pharmacopoeia? Answer option number D. General Council of Medical Education and Registration. Question number 34. The regulation governing both Pharma D and Pharma D PB program came into existence in answer option 2008. Question number 35. Which among the following is incorrect about unpredictable type B adverse drug reactions? Answer D. These are based on pharmacological properties of the drug. Question number 36. Capacity of a drug to cause fetal abnormalities when administered to pregnant women is called. Answer option D. Teratogenicity. Question number 37. Which of the following is an objective of inventory control in a pharmacy or healthcare setting? Answer option number A. To ensure uninterrupted supply of essential medicine to minimize out of stock danger. Question number 38. A separate area with a board indicating not for dispensing or use in a drugstore is used for. Answer A. Rejected, damaged and date expiry item. Question number 39. If combination of antihypertensive are prescribed, then it is enhance its reduction in blood pressure. This is an example of answer option number D. Beneficial drug interaction. Question number 40. What is the purpose of an induction training? Answer option number A. To familiarize new employee with the organization policies, regulation and cultural. Question number 41. Which among the following is incorrect about disinfectant sodium hypochlorite? Answer option number B. Its activity in pH independent. Question number 42. Which of the following is surfactant used in emulsion? Answer option number B. Spans. Question number 43. VED stands for. Answer option number C. Vital, essential, desirable. Question number 44. In the event of a change in the constitution of wholesale or retail licensed firm, the license of such firm remain valid for a maximum period of. Answer option number C. 3 months from the date of change. Question number 45. Which of the following is an example of an animal crude drug used as an anticoagulant? Answer option number B. Heparin. Question number 46. Which form is required to obtain a retail license for the sale of Schedule C and C1 drug exclusivity X? Answer option number A. Form 21A. Question number 47. Which no form is issued for restricted sale of drugs other than those specified in Schedule C, C1 and X? Answer option number D. 20A. Question number 48. Which document is mandatory for dispensing a proprietary medicine? Answer option number B. Prescription of an registered medical practitioner, RMP means. Question number 49 is a mutual agreement done between the supplier and the buyer after the selection of supplier. Answer option number D. Contract. Question number 50. Which is the first step of process of dispensing of proprietary product? Answer option number B. Verification. Question number 51. Which form is required to obtain a retail license for the sale of Schedule X drug? Answer option number 1. Form 20F. Question number 22. Which of the following is not used for anesthesia procedure? Answer option number D. Hyperinflation bag. Question number 53. Which of the following crude drug does not contain resin? Answer option number A. Catechol. Question number 54. Which among the following is not a legal requirement for a drug store? Answer option number A. Availability of a registered pharmacist. Question number 55. Who supervise the use of drug in hospital and educate on how to use drug safety? Answer option number D. Pharmacist. Question number 56. Reference listen drug RLD used for bioequivalence studies in listen in. Answer option number C. Orange book. Question number 57. BCG vaccine is administered by. Answer option number C. Intradermal route. Question number 58. Digoxin is of dash origin. Answer option number A. Plant. Question number 59. Which among the following is the reason for including a washout period in a crossover bioavailability study? Answer option number C. To avoid carryover effect of the first dose. Question number 60. If drug is imported, manufactured in relation to manufacture, sale and distribution of drug under a name which belong to another drug is called. Answer option number C. Spurious drug. Question number 61. Example of mummifying agent used in dentistry is. Answer option number C. Tannic acid. Question number 62. Data studies medico-legal aspect of use of drugs. Answer option number D. Forensic toxicology. Question number 63. According to Fick's first law, rate of passive drug diffusion is directly proportional to. Answer option number C. Concentration gradient. Question number 64. Drugs which are used for prevention, diagnosis, treatment of a rare disease are termed as. Answer option number A. Orphan drugs. Question number 65. Which of the following is incorrectly about alphabetical classification? Answer option number D. Help to suggest substitute of drugs. Question number 66. For establishing a drug store, the specimen of prescribed form for application issue and renewal of the license are specified under which schedule of the Drug and Cosmetic Rule 1945? Answer option number B. Schedule A. Question number 67. What is the antidote for paracetamol poisoning? Answer option number C. N-acetylcysteine. Question number 68. What is the pH of blood? Answer option number B. 7.4. Question number 69. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Answer option number D. Vitamin K. Question number 70. Which of the following is a Schedule H1 drug? Answer option number D. Cefixime. Thank you for watching.